because of a sudden spasm in your diaphragm, the muscle that controls breathing. When it contracts unexpectedly, it pulls air quickly into your lungs. But a split second later, your vocal cords snap shut, cutting off the air and creating the classic hic sound. This usually happens when the nerves that control the diaphragm, especially the vagus and phrenic nerves, get irritated. Common triggers include eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, swallowing air, or sudden stomach expansion. In most cases, hiccups are just a small glitch in your breathing reflex, and your nervous system resets itself within a few minutes, making them disappear.